Just happened to be at the Ballard Lock today, July 12th, 2023, and we see a bunch of salmons. At the fish ladder. This is a salmon ladder. Look at all those salmons going through the fish ladder. Look at the salmon eggs. The first 99 days. Looking through the magnifying glass here. Cool. Some info about salmon identification. 3 salmon species that migrate through the locks.
Color. The males are going to have this hook more so than the female.
So, I've just learned from the man here. I'm sorry, what's your name?
My name is Peter.
Yeah, Park Ranger. Peter just told me some information about salmon that I've been here for a long time and I haven't known about this, that these salmons, as they return to the spawning area, they stop eating, and so their mouth become kind of hooked like that, and the male more so than the female. That is interesting. It's amazing, like how is it possible that I didn't know that before? Yeah, so all the salmons you see down there are sockeyes.
They linger here in the viewing section as their bodies adjust to the fresh water. This could be very challenging, especially if the water is warmer than the ocean from which they came. Well, presently, 3 species of Pacific salmon migrate through here from June into October. The first we see are the amazing sockeye that roam around the ocean for 1,000 miles or more. Then in the middle of the summer come the kings, the Chinook salmon. And finally in the fall, the beautiful silver salmon called the coho. Now to the untrained eye, it can be very difficult to tell the salmon apart. But if you use the touch screens, it will really help you identify which salmon is which. And you'll get a lot more.
Which is this scene right here?
Life cycle, the importance to the economy, the vital role that salmon play in the Native American cultures, and of course you'll also learn what we're doing to preserve and protect salmon, and maybe some ways that you can, and if possible, take one of our free guided tours. You'll learn so much more about this marvelous keystone species, the Pacific salmon.
Yeah, we pay for an hour parking, so we're checking on the parking time. We have time?
We're out of time.
We're out of time? Okay. So you can learn about the salmons, the 3 salmon species here with its touching screen. Have a look around this fish ladder viewing area. 330, 360 degree view of the viewing area.
There it is.
Well, it's kind of blurry from the algae. Try to get a closer look of, and it's hard to see. Oh, look at them go! Oh, swim, salmon swim. So this is. So we came in and we leave using a different exit way. So we came in one way and exit the other. And on the outside there's another window here that we can look at the salmons. Wow. There was a little guy, and we learned, oh, there's a little guy. There's a little guy. We just learned from the park ranger that that could be a juvenile king salmon. You just saw one, right? And as we exit, there's a cool mural. Did I say mirror? Mural. That is so cool, so nice, so beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so right now I'm on top of the salmon ladder viewing area. And what you're looking at here is the, on the other side, the Ballard Lock. That bridge over there is for the train. It's being raised to accommodate, I guess, the boats going through.
Yeah, this is where you are, right?
Before we leave, I'm gonna show the Ballard Lock and how the boats go in and out. But before that, we want to explore the little park along the side here. So here is the 360 degree view of this area. So there you go. This way. So we will from there and we'll walk this way.
Lots of locks.
Lots of what? Oh, locks.
Oh, not that
They people put them on the fence. Yep, I guess so.
I mean, it is mostly.
Yeah. So there's the little park that you can sit and sunbathe, looking down at the Ballard Lock, the water. So the name of the park is Commodore. Ship Canal Locks, First Ladder Canal Promenade. There's the view from higher ground. How do you say that word? Is that promenade or promenade is that? Look at the canopy here. Nice, huh? Isn't that beautiful or what? Beautiful tree canopy here. And it opened up to this. You can come down here and explore this area more. Let's take a look at this structure here. Some people is living in that corner, I guess. At the back of it, and see what's down this way. Let's go down and curve around. Man, this is nice and cool under the tree canopy on a sunny day. This is beautiful. And it continues on. And it opens up to here. It looks like it's continue on down that way, and here you can have a closer look at the bridge. Look at the sky and the cloud and the water. A beautiful, gorgeous day. Back this way, so we went up, kind of up the hill, and down we can actually walk along this pathway back to the Ballard Lock. As we're walking back, and look over there, there's a tall boat. I'll go see going through the Ballard Lock right now. Yeah, I guess you can. To the Ballard Lock. Okay, we're walking back and try to get a glimpse of that Argosy boat leaving or crossing the dock, Ballard Dock. Oh, what did I say, dock? Ballard Lock. Pardon my French. Okay, so now we're at the Ballard Lock. So the boat is leaving Lake Union here through this waterway. It's going through the lock, and so it goes in here, close this gate, fill up the water, so the water level will rise to the level of the Puget Sound out there, and then it's gonna open the gate on the other side and let the boat out. There's a lot of people down here today. Nice day. So we're walking to the other side. Oh my God, look at the sky and the clouds. Yeah, let's look at it from the other side. Okay, they're opening the gate. That's what you hear is the siren. There's happy tourists on that boat. And they're heading out to the Puget Sound that way. There it slowly goes. My God, look at the blue sky and the white clouds and the happy people and the Argosy boat. Moving ever slowly out to sea, to the sound, Puget Sound that is.
First step, we have first to welcome you to the salt water. If you're enjoying salt water, you're a little bit thirsty.
Wow. They're gonna have a good time for sure. Bye-bye boat. Bye-bye Argosy. Have fun. Bon voyage. Okay. Now we're gonna head back to the car. As we walk back out to the car, here's another lock on this side. Why are the locks needed, you might ask? Well, there's your answer right there. Look at that park setting. Yeah, so we're walking through this park to get to the parking lot. So as you enter this, coming this side, this is what you see first. You will walk through this beautiful park. You can come down here and have lunch and then walk around. That would be a beautiful thing to do. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous park. All these plants and flowers. Past their prime. But imagine that a week or two ago, all these flowers. Yeah, if you come down here, you may want to walk around and explore this park more. Have lunch here. They have music throughout the summer too. Look at that, would you? There's your 360-degree view of the park here. And there's our friendly park ranger walking. Hi again. Yep. I don't mind sitting here on this bench with the flower behind for some lunch. Okay, that's proper information for you. Welcome to Hiram M. Chittenden Locks and Carl S. English Junior Gardens. So that's what it's called. So it's the Carl S. English Junior Gardens. Beautiful garden. Okay, which way back to the parking lot? Is it that way? Or is it this way? I think it's this way. I remember the drainage in the middle. Yeah, I think it's this way. Guys, you gotta check these out. Some sort of orchid, some sort of Venus flytrap. Look at that. Please look, but don't touch. They could eat you. And would you look at that? I think when they have music, usually on Saturday, I believe, it would be like on the grass lawn. That would be nice.
I felt like I needed it, then maybe not. I would just be like, yeah, sure. I mean, it only costs like $40 to buy one. Yeah. No, I think it was
By the way, there's a visitor center over here. If you want more information, you can come in there and get more info. Would you like to come down here for a picnic, for lunch? Listen to music on Saturday when they have music? Walk the dog? Walk the babies? Yeah, as you can see, we haven't explored that side of it yet, but you can come down here and explore the park more. And I can see the exit gate from here. Oh, okay, people, so you can stop watching the video and come down here and enjoy the park here. All right, there's the exit to the parking lot, to our car. What a note to make: no bicycle riding, no alcohol, and no skating here. Okay, we're clear. This is the view from outside looking at the entrance to Ballard Lock. And there's plenty of parking down here. That's where we park. So come down here and have fun.